Happy to be here in Palo Alto this Saturday for an exciting event that the foundation is hosting with the Bay Area Discovery Museum.
The Try It truck is one of the most important ways that we can provide children throughout the Bay Area with access to early engineering. We bring the truck to schools and libraries and community centers, as well as partner sites like the Infosys Foundation. The Try It truck was actually born in partnership with teachers who were struggling to implement early engineering education into the classroom. We both provide high quality early engineering experiences for children, and we model best practices for teachers and the adults in their lives. The Infosys Foundation grant to the Bay Area Discovery Museum supports our scholarship program. So over 70% of the students who participate in Try It Truck programs receive need-based scholarships. This allows us to go to underserved communities and Title I schools throughout the Bay Area and provide these kinds of experiences.
These stations are basically bringing the museum to the community. In the truck, we have the Fab Lab, we have the fabrication digital tools, and we have specifically a laser cutter and a 3D printer. But it's always, first of all, fun to see kids come to a place and realize that it's theirs to do without any instruction. They have no inhibition. They start building stuff and looking at other kids. A lot of times you see how kids learn from others. Engineering, it's not just an engineer is someone have to go to university. We all do these things. We all like to solve problems and do it in different ways.
My dad and me have built this plane, and it has these flaps to help the plane go farther. I've learned how to make many things, and that now I know
how to make like planes.
Now I could be very successful with
making planes. And as we get older, we can get better and better and better at making planes.
That was exactly our vision for this beautiful day, to promote tinkering and opportunities for kids to be inspired to pursue engineering or anything in STEM. So we're excited about our partnership with the museum and hope everyone just had a great time today.